So hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Worky Two Wheels, and it is a bloody gloomy day. It is really gloomy, but this is not the normal kind of video, right, which I'll explain when this little truck's out of my way. Today's video is about cameras and about testing them out. Now, you might have been able to notice in previous videos that I use GoPro 4s, and the reason is, I know they're old, but the reason is you can plug a microphone, you can plug a microphone straight into them and they work. GoPro 5 and onwards, you have to have a mic adapter, which cost a lot of money. I mean, they cost a lot of money brand new. That's the house that burnt down. They cost a lot of money brand new, but now they don't make them anymore. They cost even more. So if you get them on eBay, they're now double the price of what they were brand new. So no, I'm not paying that. Ugh. Not paying that kind of money for something that hasn't got a guarantee and I can't get fixed if I need to. Alright, so what I've got now, this one here, hello, is a GoPro Hero 7, and this one on my face is a Osmo action camera. So that is me testing these out. The reason I haven't used these, I've had these cameras a while, but the reason I don't use them is because I don't trust them. Don't know how they work fully. But the only way to combat that is by taking them for a ride and getting used to them. The reason I want to start using these, hello puppy, is because these have got image stabilization. Have you been pulled over, kid? Hey, they've both got image stabilization. The Hero 4s haven't. So hopefully, if everything's going well and you can hear me, you'll be able to notice that the camera isn't shaking about as much. Where am I going? Where am I going? The motorway bridge. Everything looking clear on motorway. Another copper there. We'll go. So we'll take a right here. Get some more windy roads in. Test these cameras out properly. Yeah, they've got image stabilization. That's where I was. Making for a better video. At the moment, I can only upload videos in HD. I can't do 4K yet or 2K. I mean, the cameras are capable, but my software isn't. So that's if this works out, that's the next thing I'll be upgrading, so I can get you some 4K videos out there. Oh, these lovely roads. If it was a sunny day, this would be gorgeous scenery. It's not. It's gloomy as shit. In fact, it's forecasted showers today. There we go. Oh, look at the animals. Goats and geese. Goats and geese. top the taps up a bit. Yeah. Test out the wind noise. This Osmo action camera as well, I bought the mic adapter for it, and it didn't work at first. I've ordered another one, there's another one coming through the post, but it didn't work at first. I had to smack it about a bit and get the pliers to it to make it work. So don't buy from JJ, is it JJM or JJC? Yeah, there's this product on Amazon, don't buy it basically. I'll stick it up on screen if this video works out. So we're now having a ride around Kirkham Gate. There's my dream house right there, I wish I had that house. So everything, the GoPro is still recording. You might notice on the camera, because both of these cameras have both got image stabilisation on them. The GoPro Hero 4s don't. So you'll notice that the footage isn't as shaky as normal. Because obviously I'm on a motorbike. Motorbikes vibrate a lot. Windy roads, windy roads, windy roads. There we go. So yeah, these have got image stabilisation on them, making them a better camera for recording on a motorbike. So yeah, so I'm just taking them for a ride and getting used to them. Seems to be recording fine. This is recording absolutely fine. So far, I think. There is another reason why I'm doing this kind of video today. It's because I have just taken the car and dropped it off at the garage for its MOT. So I needed to do something to take the stress off waiting for the MOT result. Now, to be honest, the car is only for bad weather and night shifts. But you know, it's still my little go about, and it's been a good car to me, so I'm nervous that someone's sat there judging her right now. That car's saved lives. It has actually physically saved lives. But yeah, I've got my little app on my phone, so when they post the result of the MOT, it should flash through on my phone. I don't know where I'm going, to be honest. I think I might take a ride to Squires. Might have to excuse me coughing as well, because I think I'm coming down with lurgy. Right. So I think I'm going to take this down for a little ride to Squires. So what we'll do now is we'll roll the music, and then we'll play a bit of an epic montage, and I'll see you a bit further down the road. See you in a bit. Not many people there today. Right. It's good as a drinker. Right, so I got the call saying that my car had failed its MOT on the anti-roll bar suspension linkage, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with the joint, but are you going to focus? You can see the rubber boot is all knackered, look, and no longer keeping dust and crap out. So, focus, you bugger. Got me send some new ones. Why is this not focusing now? Right. There we go. So yeah, got some new ones now. I'm going to put them on in there. But this is my evening right now. Right, that's the second one off, and I am out of breath. And oops, this is the one I've just taken off, the second one. And you can see right there, it's absolute trash. All the grease is coming out. That's starting to on that side there. But don't worry, nice brand new one. I'm so out of breath. So, covered in oil, took my car back to the mechanic, and now I've got an MOT. So yeah, car's done, and right now I'm getting a car wash and loving life. Cheers.